Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to put a Ram 2500 in neutral. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and the parking brake is engaged for safety. We'll cover the common methods, including what to do if your engine isn't running. This guide will help you prepare for towing or maintenance situations, ensuring you can safely move your truck when needed. For a standard shift, ensure your Ram 2500 engine is running and your foot is firmly on the brake pedal. If you have a rotary shifter, simply turn the knob to the N position. For a column shifter, move the lever to neutral. Always confirm the gear selection on your dashboard display before releasing the brake. If your engine won't start or the battery is dead, you'll need the emergency override. This usually involves locating a small access cover near the shifter or below the steering column. Use a small flathead screwdriver or pick tool to press a release tab, then pull the manual override lever or strap to engage neutral. Always consult your owner's manual for exact location. Remember these crucial safety tips. Always engage your parking brake before attempting to shift into neutral, especially during emergency procedures. Ensure your Ram 2500 is on a flat, stable surface to prevent unexpected rolling. Finally, your owner's manual provides the most accurate and detailed instructions specific to your truck's model and year. Stay safe out there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.